boy was born to a couple after 11 years of marriage. They were a loving couple, and the boy was the gem of their eyes. When the boy was around 2 years old, one morning the husband saw a medicine bottle open. He was late for office, so he asked his wife to cap the bottle and keep it in the cupboard. His wife, preoccupied in the kitchen, totally forgot about the open medicine bottle. The boy saw the bottle and playfully went to the bottle, fascinated by its color, and drank it all. It happened to be a poisonous medicine meant for adults in small dosages. When the child collapsed, mother hurried him to the hospital, where he died. The mother was stunned. She was terrified how to face her husband. When the distraught father came to the hospital and saw the dead child, he looked at his wife and uttered just 5 words. The husband just said, "I am with you, darling." The husband's totally unexpected reaction is a proactive behavior. The child is dead. He can never be brought back to life. There is no point in finding fault with the mother. Besides, if only he had taken time to keep the bottle away, this would not have happened. No one is to be blamed. She had also lost her only child. What she needed at that moment was consolation and sympathy from the husband. That is what he gave her. If everyone can look at life with this kind of perspective, there would be much fewer problems in the world. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take off all your envies, jealousies, unforgiveness, selfishness, and fears, and you will find things are actually not as difficult as you think. Sometimes we spend time in asking who is responsible or whom to blame, whether in a relationship, in a job, or with the people we know. By this way, we miss out some warmth in human relationship.